car's this?
What's the chances of you let me try the boat?
What boat?
Either boat.
Man, I took your ass to the Revving, boy. Yeah. Oh.
Perfect.
Hey, nice car, man. Can I get your autograph?
Let me see. Let me just take a picture of that.
So yes, sir. I feel like a celebrity right now. Yeah.
Hey guys, my name's Cora. I'm super hot and sexy, and you should love me forever. Thank you.
Hey, can we get a burnout? I got 315 on mine.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Are you being for real?
That's your friend?
Yeah, he's
That's crazy. You can't let your friend enjoy it.
You can't flex like that.
You gotta get them things out, man. Oh my goodness. Big ass meat, boy. Oh.
Put the music back on.
I just slapped 50 on my Draco. Real deal soldier, nothing like Big Draco. Bottom than we got when I spin tinted SRT.
Whose car's this?
Mine?
I love the color, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thanks for bringing it out.
Thank you, thank you. You know why I parked over here too, bro? Because the light was over here, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it makes the car, you know what I'm saying, pop out more. So yeah, I need some lighting. I'm on that camera, the quality, A1. But yeah, man, we just pulled in. Everybody just pulling in right now. 9:54, so they posted the address about an hour ago at 9. And it's 9:54 right now, so you know, people pulling in, man. It's about to be a crazy night. Not really crazy, no. I'm just gonna take you on a little tour, man, see the cars and see some cool stuff, man, you know. They got some dope cars here. I don't know if you saw it, bro, but on the road, you didn't see that big ass headset with that big ass tires on it? Bro, next to us, bro. Oh, that was a long time ago. That was a long time ago, bro. But
I thought you was trying to catch him because I was like, oh shit, we
low
about to
key,
get this
low key got me going. That's why we got into Denver real quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna snap the tunnel on my phone. It's so easier. Watch out real quick, bro, please.
You don't race?
I don't race. Now you see why they ask no more than that. Hey,
You take it to Bandamere.
hey, right. But it's my first time at the SLS Denver meet.
Hey,
So
that's sick.
I know a lot of fast boys here. They told me to come out a long time ago. So they might inspire me to start racing, man. I don't know. Then I might consider doing some more to it, man. But until then, we chilling, man. But this is a nice spot too. Wingstop, Smash Burger, Chipotle. What do you eat?
I love Chipotle.
Chipotle? Me too. Me too, bro. What's your name, bro?
Harris.
Harris, nice to meet you. I'm Oluwa, man. What's your name?
Damien.
Damian Oluwa, nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
I'm Thomas.
Oluwa, nice to meet you, man. Y'all have a good night, okay? They got some, you know, some JDM stuff right here. I think the accent that way. Oh, look at that BMW over here, man. Sheesh. Holding the camera looks so much better, man. I feel free instead of holding the camera like my boy over here. Yeah, I'm just playing, bro.
I got a nice kind of 5200. I need to go ahead and put that bitch to work.
I gotta grab another battery just in case.
I love you, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. How y'all doing, man? Y'all good? Chilling?
Chilling.
Okay,
car's really nice,
appreciate
bro.
it, man. Thank you. Where y'all from, man?
From here, bro. We're
Denver?
Yeah.
Denver native?
Denver.
Okay. Y'all love it here?
It's alright.
It's alright. Why don't y'all like about it?
A lot, bro. The prices.
Damn, bro. It's all over the place, man. We just got to deal with it, man. Y'all have a good night. Okay, what's your name?
Gio.
Gio?
Ricardo. David. Manny, bro.
Maria.
I'm Oluwa. Nice to meet you. I look like some V6. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know why? But I can tell by the wheel gap.
Am I in your YouTube video?
You wanna be my YouTube video?
Yeah.
Go ahead, talk to them.
Hey guys, my name's Cora. I'm super hot and sexy, and you should love me forever. Thank you.
Yeah. You know something about this more than me, so you know what I'm saying, sauce me up, bro. What they working with on this? I like the color on it though. It look like a youngin driving there. UFO?
I'm like, what the fuck is that for?
Yo. It's your car, man?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I like it.
Look at it.
I fuck with it,
Go
bro.
look at the back. Go look at the back.
Deuces. Ah! Okay. You better not tell me this shit stuck, man. Even if it is, you know, he's deuces. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure.
I like it, my boy. What year is it?
It's 2016.
2016? So you cap, bro. You know why? Why you put the SRT Hellcat emblem in the front, bro? You know they don't come like that, bro.
I didn't like that.
You got it like that?
I didn't like that.
How old you is, bro? You look like a
I'm
youngin.
18.
18? That's what I'm talking about, bro. We younger doing it too, bro.
Yeah,
We
bro, I
younger.
fuck with it.
All right, perfect. Y'all have a good night. Okay, what's your name, bro?
Alberto.
Alberto, nice to meet you.
Hey,
His
bro,
wife's to Denver.
Check out my new whip.
That's your new whip?
Yeah, bro.
Oh. Damn. Yo, that's crazy. That's your friend?
Yeah, he's
That's crazy. You can't let your friend enjoy it.
You can't flex like that.
Damn,
I got
bro.
I got this.
That's crazy. Hey, You can't be friends with him no more, bro. That's crazy.
No, I'm a fake friend though.
Wow, you should have been like, yeah, that's it. It looks nice, man. What year is it?
2015.
2012?
15.
13?
15.
10?
09.
1999, baby. It looks nice, man. AMG? Yes, sir.
Much power equation.
Between 600 and 700. That's what it claims. That's what the person that sold it to me. I
Did
didn't build
you
it like
dyno it?
No, I haven't yet. I bought it like this. And it's got 295s in the back, bro.
Damn, so you want to flex, bro? But I got 315 on mine. I got 315 on mine.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
You been for real?
Dead ass.
Yeah.
What's the chances of you let me try the boat?
What boat?
Either boat.
Man, better take your ass to the river, boy. Oh, shit. You do? Hell yeah, man. Me too, man. Me too. You too, brother. You too, man. That's content right there, man. You just give me some content. He said, what a chance on me driving a boat, man. I'm like, what you saying, bro? Picked out the camera, man. I had to get that on the video for y'all, man, so y'all can see. He ain't driving no boat, my boy. The only boat this nigga driving is this
If I'm
shit,
driving
right?
the boat, I got the fastest boat on land.
What? Whoa. You want to test it?
Oh, yeah, I tested it.
Well,
Tested it with.
you don't want to test it with Picasso?
Hey, man, I tested, bro. Red dot
You know what?
versus Picasso.
You want to test it with Picasso,
Hey,
bro?
man.
Oh, that boy wilding out there, man. Keep looking at if I take your girl, boy. I don't want your girl. I want to see this thing in action, though, man. It looks nice, bro. You got the red Brembo brake too. Let me show y'all. You want to see it? Up here, bro. Go ahead, man.
I don't want to rev.
Yes, sir. We outside, man. Tell them we outside.
Outside, bro.
Yes, sir. Got my chest too, bro.
Let me see. Let me just take a picture of that. So
Yes, sir.
I forgot to take it.
What the hell happened?
I got the
What am I in? Pano?
got
I'm in Pano. I'm in portrait.
I feel like a celebrity right now, man. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all, man. Oh, appreciate you, bro. What's your name? Ro?
Yeah.
Anthony got the chain on, man. I'm trying to be dripping like him, man. Y'all see me? I got nothing on but this shit, man. Hey, y'all have a good night, man. I'ma drop that red eye.
They must say GT on the side.
GT. Get out. Hey, get out, man. Hey, get out. Get out. Hey, get out. Get out, man. Man, them boys really outside tonight. Okay, he's smart.
Doing shit.
I thought it was gonna. Yeah. Oh. What you think about Camaros? Camaros. RS V6. You know why? Because they ain't got a Brembo.
You tried though.
I tried.
It sounds good though.
Is that good?
Yeah. You just gotta put it on a dope beat.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
The beat gonna carry me.
Yeah. The beat gonna carry you because that's what these new rappers do anyway.
Okay. I don't need the beat. I don't need the beat though, bro. I'm cold like that. What you think, bro?
Acapella.
I don't need none of that shit. I can just talk
That's
and
what
that
I'm
shit
talking
gonna
about. You
smack.
get the acapella.
Alright, shit.
Yeah,
Acapella. Y'all heard it, man.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm about to run you over, man. That thing look good too. Hold on, let's see. Can we get a burnout? Hey, yo! Hey, can we get a burnout? Can we get a burnout? Looks nice, man. Those are the shit we have in Nigeria.
Yeah?
Nah.
You got cold air intake.
Bro, really? Really, bro? Cold air intake, really? Alright. And like I said earlier, everybody just pulling in right now.
Y'all flushed me like 4 or 5 months ago.
Yeah?
I subscribed to you.
You did?
Yeah, bro.
Man, appreciate you, man. True supporters right there, man. Appreciate the love. Damn, them boys going crazy over there. Have a good night, man. Is that what I think it is? Yeah. Hey, nice car, man. Can I get your autograph? Where you from the park at, bro?
Just kisses. I have no idea, dude.
Yeah, that shit's back.
This shit's crazy.
You say he's putting a bigger turbo on there. Damn, that's what you think, bro?
Hey man, I'm just being honest. Think a Super could beat you.
Hey, stock Super, they're lighter, bro. Think with me here. So they're gonna get me off the line.
I'm talking about.
You talking about? Yo, they be putting turbo and shit in there.
Yeah.
Hey, they crazy, bro. That one that just went by.
Yeah.
I heard people say that's the fastest Supra in Colorado. But I know they're making hella bread, man. It's good, smart hustling right there. They be shiesty like that one right there. And that little ass one too. It looks little, but he's shiesty.
They're a wide body.
But what you think this is? Gotta be a 19.
Yeah.
2020 or 2019. Something like that. The color on it too nice, man. Yeah. Hey, they got some fast ass over here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. When you see them logo like that, I'm gonna go crazy. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, fellas? I'm in Utah. I'm just filming right now. Y'all cool? For sure. Man, this blue right here, nasty. Gap sauce. Man, but I don't know, man. I feel like they're two different blues. What you think?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. But well, them boys don't know what we ride. It's all good. I see some females in the Hellcat tonight, like crazy. I saw more females in the Hellcat than males. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was mine, bro. I thought I was mine. Cause y'all know I got the same colors. Yeah, cause I just washed it. That one look dirty. You see it? They got more action over here too. Red eye? Gotta be a red eye. And you know what's crazy too? Some females driving it. Oh, it's a female driving. But I need that on my car. The mud flap. I can see your logo from a mile away. I didn't even see it. I wasn't looking at the stripe there, the collar. I just saw the logo. That boy lit. Okay then. Oh, look at that dog on the back. Them boys hungry. Damn, look at the line. You know, it got the whole family in it too. Oh, look at this one right here.
Dropped your.
Appreciate y'all, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Yo, bro. I'm about to go on a little walk, man. I've been standing in the same spot for a long time. Hey, bro, you coming? I'm about to go on a walk, bro.
Going to walk?
Yeah.
There can only be one.
Just like yours. Oh, for sure.
And boy, they're rolling up as a crew.
That's the one that got the Hellcat.
I think those were the people that remember that we ran across earlier over there? The two blue Mustang as well as the red eye. I think that's what
he said he got a red one. My brother said he got a red one.
I guess they're feeling red down more than Picasso tonight,
Right.
I'm letting them have it. They come to slide, so nah, I ain't sliding. Nah, no more. You know there's a meet going on in Springs right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
That shit's bad as fuck.
appreciate it, man. So, my boy.
What's up, my boy?
looking like an athlete the way they're looking at the car right now, man. Who you play for, man?
Hey, man.
Who you play for?
For the SRT sliders. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, what he say?
I be in the room. She be in the room.
I can't get copyright, bro. I'm out this bitch, bro. But yeah, them boys outside, man.
You watch that guy who's
Ooh. Thanks. They got them drones out.
Shelby's, yeah.
Is that around the same as CRX?
faster. That's 700.
Really? What motor they got in it?
The 500 motor.
They got the motor in it?
Yeah.
Wow. I think I found my thumbnail, y'all.
Guys, real quick, I cannot stress this enough. There are a ton. I'm already losing my voice.
Them boys over here screaming and shit, man. Ah!
Check me out, guys. There are a lot of bikes out tonight. There are a lot of cars out tonight. Tonight is only going to go well if we are all getting home safe tonight. So double check those blind spots tonight. Double check what you're doing tonight. Stay out of the left lane if you got
say, bro?
Flash, they hype
He
you.
said stay out the left lane. Right. That's what he said, right? He said stay out the left lane. Them boys gonna be wildin', bro. So where they going to now?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Where's the announcement?
You guys leave this spot. I know how tempting
I
it
think that's the
is.
guy that told us that likes the color.
Just please do not burn this spot for us. This is, I mean, this kid guy is well over around the spot. So please.
I know y'all can't hear what he's saying, but I think he's talking about the next location, the next spot.
Got to burn out. Just wait. I promise if we got something in store for you. Just hold out, wait for the highway, and wait for the third spot. We don't be burning the spot for the third spot. I know you guys do have fireworks. Change it to the third spot. Y'all gonna have free reign at third, I promise you. We don't have a night to remember. So, with that being said, I'm gonna turn it over to my boy Jay, the station line. He's gonna give you guys direction. Listen up.
I had to make a quick little stop by the gas station, man. I lost my boy. What is?
Underbody scraping him.
Bro, people don't care, bro. Nights like this, they just acting crazy. Hey, I'm trying to see what that vet got in there, bro. Maybe I gotta take that shit to Gapplebee's or Gap Sauce or. You fun? Oh, y'all was racing? Huh?
I ran for the fucking.
Yeah, what, he had his light on?
Yeah, he pulled me in a 01, he pulled the 01. He stopped next to me, looks like me like this, and like, and I dipped.
That boy shysty tonight, man. Is this the fastest vet in Denver? Why'd you look at him like that, bro? You're a fool, bro, because you got a vet too?
Well, his ain't running, so he can't talk shit.
Yeah? It said faster than you, though?
You saw my car run, huh? When I first met him?
Yeah, I beat him.
Fuck no, I was dragging shit.
I mean, I haven't seen this one run, but your shit was crazy when I saw it. So, my boy, how you feeling, bro?
I'm straight, bro.
Chilling?
I'm saying, hell yeah, I'm good.
All right.
It's an eventful night.
What they say, bro? Outside is the status.
It's an eventful night.
All right, yo, so we just pulled up to the second location. Yo, who parked this truck, man? It's a nice parking, my boy. I like it, man. Where y'all boys from, man? Y'all from Denver, Colorado?
Hell yeah.
What's your name, bro?
Alexis.
Oluwa. Nice to meet you, bro. What's your name?
Armando.
Oluwa. Nice to meet you. Daniel. You don't like black people, bro. So, my boy puffing that marijuana, huh? What's up, man? Yes, sir. Nice to meet y'all, bro. Y'all just vibing and shit?
Yeah.
Damn.
Park over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can park over there.
All right, baby, let me get the car. So yeah, we're at the second spot right now. See, I'm about to walk a little bit, bro. The second spot, yo, the second spot is still popping. Yeah. What time is it? Like 12? And that shit's still popping. Nah, it's one. Yeah, y'all see it? I know this should focus. Focus up. Oh yeah, y'all see it though. It's one. 12:55. 5 more minutes.
And they all go like.
Which one? Wheel gap. That's a V6, man. Gotta be. It gotta be. Yeah, I can see the wheel gap all the way from the back. No cap. Just like how you saw the cop on the way, I saw the wheel gap.
Cruising regular. You flashed at me, but I already saw him.
For real?
Yeah.
You flash?
You flashed at me.
Oh, we talking about yeah. Oh shit, bro. I think this a club. There's a club in Texas called Og Shit Only. Yeah, that's crazy. The dude followed me too. It's called SRC Pinky. It's like one of the owners. They're pretty big in Texas, bro. So they're out here representing Hog. Yeah, in Colorado. I'm gonna record it on my phone. See, I'm gonna tag him.